Welcome back to The Perfect Painter. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Help me to help you. Let's get this channel out there more. Help me to get it to grow. It's brand new, so I only have 9 subscribers right now. But I'm planning on giving y'all some good information, and I have been. It's not easy to paint as everybody thinks. But today's another review video on the Milwaukee fastback pocket knife. Just a quick review. I like the little knife. So stay tuned. It flicks open just like a fastback razor knife. Only difference is you can't push the button and flick it closed because it's a pocket knife. You gotta push the tang over and close it. But it's smooth. I mean, once you get the feel down, you'll be able to flick it every time. It's a durable little pocket knife, and it's sharp. I mean, I'll show you. I'm gonna find some paper. I don't want to dull the blade too much, but it's a sturdy blade. It's sharpened on both sides. Focus. Nice stainless steel blade, sturdy handle. It is a hard plastic, probably has some fiberglass, but it's got a metal interior which strengthens it. It's got your little clip, just like the fastback utility knife. It's got a tether if you want to tie it to something and hang it from your belt or something like that. It's a nice little knife. Got paint on my hand. I just got off of work. Cuts through paper though. It's got a pretty sharp blade for a pocket knife. About as sharp as a razor blade, or really close to it. If not, it's a single piece of paper. I mean, I like it. 15 bucks at Home Depot. Sometimes I like having these rather than a razor knife or utility knife. Yeah, you can't go wrong with a razor knife, but you just pop a new blade in there and keep going. But I personally like a good pocket knife. It's got a longer blade, comes in handy sometimes. Hear the birds chirping. It's December. But yeah, that's just my preference. I do use utility knives also, but there's nothing like a good sharp pocket knife. So I give the Milwaukee fastback pocket knife an A. Only reason it's not an A plus is because you can't push the button and flip it back to close it. If they could find out a way to make that happen, it'd be an A plus all day. You can sharpen it with a sharpening stone. That's one reason why I like pocket knives, because you can resharpen them, they'll last forever. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll keep coming with information.